go fishing?
Oh, yes.
Then let's go.
What's up, guys? You know I'm already back out here again. You already know what I'm going for. I mean, this water's a little chocolate milky, but hopefully these flounders are still here. I know it's not like an exciting fish to watch me caught, but they taste so good I had to come try to get some more. So I'm gonna get these rods out here. I took the fish finder rig off for my actual flounder rig on. The wind's blowing this way, so it's gonna be hard to cast against it with these light rods. We'll try to get to it. Get both rods out right away. Got the incoming tide. Okay. One here. And hopefully I can see when they pick it up. This wasn't blowing like this. It's not too bad. But it's blowing right at me. Which sucks for casting distance. Get this one over here. This rod's a little stiffer. Can really get that one out there. But hopefully these flounder are here. Hopefully it's not a long wait. Let's see what we can do, guys. I'm out here. Both rods are out. Loosen this drag, just in case a striper does pick it up. Make sure it's in there. It's not drag. Alright, we out there. Come on, guys, don't take long. Boy Nico's supposed to be coming. Today's his birthday. Try to get him on a flounder. I'm trying to catch more. The fillet, I eat some of it, but I fillet it, save some for the kids when they come, that they never had it before. So see if I get another two. That'd be beautiful. But for now, time to wait for a bite. Oh, okay. That didn't take long. That didn't take long. Come on, eat it. Got him.
Got one already?
Yeah. Got one.
Yo, I literally just walked in, guys.
He just pulled up. Nico finally got here.
Pulled up in the rental, so the fish were ready.
That didn't take long. This might be a striper.
Yeah.
It might be a little striper. Swimming side to side. It's on the top. Flounders stay low and they come straight in. It's a little striper. But at least that didn't take long at all to get a bite. Look, he just threw the lines out. He just pulled up and got a fish. Yeah, right away. Well, no skunk. That's a fish though. Not what I'm after. Let me get a picture just in case they don't go our way today. And this is all we catching.
For once I didn't miss the bite.
And we here early, that's why I wanted to get here early in the tide. Get a little picture. Get a little video to release. That didn't take long. Yo, I literally just got in the water right before you got here. But I haven't been catching stripers here. I've been catching all flounders. I hope. No skunk today. Just got in the water. Ooh. I mean, I'm happy to catch something, but I just hope it's not too many of them. The flounder need a chance to get to the bait. I'll get some more bait on and get back out there, guys. Oh, let's go.
Again?
Got some more bait on. Get this rod back on out there. Yo, that was quick. Just keep up the action. But hopefully some flounders show up. Day started. Kind of want to get this ride a little further out. I'm gonna let it a little longer. Let's go. That's a freak, yo. It's a striper though. That's a hit. Striper. I guess the schoolies are back now. I haven't been catching them. Man, it's been slow today. Holy cow. I caught that other fish a long time ago. Yeah, another little schoolie. Come on. Come in. Come in. Another little one. Slow day with small fish. Get my hook back. Let me get my pliers. Flounder hooks. I'm stuck in a lip. Nobody want to come out. Guess another one for the story. Number 2. Really wish we get some flounders, man.
That's 2 fish for you. I ain't getting one yet.
So I'm not even putting that much bait on there. I'm trying to just track the flounder. Guess these stripers are back though. That was a long time in between bites. Let's keep it going. Man, I just missed probably 2 flounder bites, maybe even 3. Right when the tide's about to go slack. I just put fresh bait on both rods. Hopefully one bites before it shuts down. My goodness. That was a pretty hard hit. Dang, they keep smacking. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh my God, son. Keep just smacking and dropping it. Bro, what is they doing? Just bites. It's just little stripers. Bro, it's gotta be little stripers. Oh, crap. I just put that fresh bait on there. Smacked it. Get some more bait out there. Again. Action is picking up now. Freaking. Oh my God. Nico gonna be tight when he sees this footage. All these bites now. Yo, what is up with these bites? Keep biting and letting it go, biting and letting it go. But some action though. Eventually one of them's gonna get it. goodness, man. Now this one getting smacked. That might be a striper. Yo, you gotta be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. Son, how am I missing all these bites? He was swimming down with it and I still missed. Oh my God, son. I suck right now. All these bites, man. I can't hook a fish. Insane. Change this bait out. Probably gotta change that one too, because it was getting hit too. What is going on? God dang, son. Another hard hit. Got him. Real striper. Got that one. Probably getting hit too. Oh, I'm over it. I think I'm over it. Right. How the heck did I get over it? Oh, he just came off. Wow. He just came off. What the frick, son? I'm sitting here trying to get over the line. Release the dang fish. There's a little striper anyway. I want the flounders. How the heck do I get over that line, though? I don't know what's going on with me right now. Fix this line. Yo, just put it back out there. Got hit again. Come on, come on. Got him. That time I stuck him a little better. Let's go. I cast out the rod a little more to the left this time. So you can't swim into the line. Pumping. Another little schoolie. And another little schoolie. Scrape my thumb up my creek. Alright, chill out. Chill out. Bro, relax. Little fish hitting mad hard. Sure that one might get a hit. Number 3. Yeah, I want some flounder so I can take it home. All these little stripers. This is usually what I have to deal with. I don't get no flounder. Just be striper after striper. I mean, these bites is coming fast right now. I'm just not hooking them. I don't know how many miss strikes I'm gonna put into the video. Get back out there. Man, I was getting such good action on the slack tide. I'm gonna just chill for a bit. I guess I'll fish some of the outgoing. Maybe the stripers will chill for a little bit. My flounder, I get a chance. You know, I'm sure at least one of those bites was a flounder bite. One of those subtle bites. I was just so excited. I saw him too early. We'll see. Yeah, tide's going out now. I haven't got touched. I think it might be over. I was pretty excited right at the top during the slack. I don't know why I couldn't hook a fish. I don't know what's wrong with me. But I guess I'm gonna get out of here now. Release up. Get in the truck and head on home. I thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed and made it this far, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you haven't done so already, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.